Good morning students, welcome back to S.R.Tutorial. So this is an illustration which I have taken from annual examination 22-23. Okay, it consists of 4 marks. Okay, here it has been asked to prepare sales day book of Navketan Furniture House, Ranchi. So all these informations are given. Okay, these three transactions, January 1, January 15 and January 20 transactions, are credit transactions of the goods or items the business is dealing in, that is furniture, chairs and tables, almirahs and sofa sets, again chairs and tables. And January 20, the second transaction, okay, is in cash, so it will not come in the sales day book. Okay, so let us prepare the sales day book. So this is how the sales day book is prepared in the books of Navketan Furniture House, Ranchi sales day book. This is the format. Okay, the calculations are done and trade discount is deducted. That is 20% on the total amount, 4,50,000. 90,000 is the amount. So for 4,50,000 minus 90,000, it is 3,60,000. Same is the case for January 15 transaction and January 20 transaction. Okay, and here is the grand total. Okay, 10,80,000. Okay, of sales day book. And the January 22nd transaction will not come as it is a cash transaction, so it will, okay, it has no effect in the sales day book. Only credit transaction of the goods in which the business is dealing in, okay, will come in the sales day book. Thank you for today. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.